So we're down here in Eltham in southeast London. This is our brick restoration project all finished now. So what we did on this project was we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, then repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish, decorated all of the stonework, all loose flaky paint came off, squared up all of the window sills, made everything look lovely and sharp for the customer. And as you can see, once again, another project finished to the highest standard as always. Customers are really happy with how the project went lovely and smooth as always. Customers now having a new driveway to finish off this beautiful transformation. Nice resin bond driveway. Looking at putting some period air vents in for them on the plinth once all of the driveway's done, just to finish off that lovely transformation. So as you can see, best looking house on the street. Lads have done a really good job on this as always, and another project just finished to the highest standard. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.